Il-Gvern iffinalizza x-xogħol fuq il-mekkaniżmu l-ġdid tal-Cola li jagħti kumpens addizzjonali lil persuni li jeqilgħu l-inqas. Ħabbar dan il-Ministru għall-Finanzi Clyde Caruana f'konferenza tal-aħbarijiet li fija afferma li l-Gvern żamm mal-wegħda tiegħu tal-Budget li għadda biex issa dan il-mekkaniżmu jiġi implementat fil-Budget li se jitħabbar ftit tal-ġimgħat oħra.
I can confirm that the work on the second mechanism has been concluded. We have the numbers, we know how it's going to work. Of course, in the coming days, I will again call the stakeholders in order to share with them this additional mechanism. So I can assure you that when the time comes in the next budget, I will be able to not only announce how this mechanism is going to work, but it will be also put into effect as well.
Brabta mal-mekkaniżmu eżistenti tal-kumpens għall-għoli tal-Ħajja, il-Cola, il-Ministru Clyde Caruana kompla fuq dak li qal il-Prim Ministru Robert Abela ftit tal-jimilu meta sostna li fil-waqt li dan il-mekkaniżmu mhux se jinbidel, il-kumpens irid jingħata lil ħaddiema kollha. Madankollu l-Ministru tal-Finanzi nnota kif li kieku ma kienx l-interventi f'waqthom tal-Gvern biex fost oħrajn jissussidja żidiet fil-prezzijiet tal-enerġija u l-fuels, kieku ċifra tal-Cola li se tinqara fil-budget li jmiss kienet tkun saħansitra id-doppju ta' dak ir-rappurtat tal-lum.
If government did not act as boldly as it did throughout the past months, that is, in making sure that there's no inflation with respect to energy products, that is, electricity and fuels, the inflation rate in Malta would have been by far higher than what it is right now. As I've said in the past, Cola perhaps would have been even double what would have otherwise been. That is, if we did not subsidize energy products, then it would have been highly likely that the Cola itself would have been higher than €20 a week.
Intant il-Ministru Clyde Caruana aċċenna s-sitwazzjoni tal-AirMalta u qal li l-Gvern għadu għaddej b'diskussjonijiet mal-Kummissjoni Ewropea fid-dawl tal-bżonn ta' riformi sostanzjali. Il-Ministru Clyde Caruana tenna li anke bħalissa għaddejjin riformi kbar sabiex jibqa' jiġi attwat il-pjan oriġinali tal-Gvern dwar il-linja nazzjonali tal-ajru. Dwar dan huwa temm jgħid li r-riformi li diġà saru fil-linja nazzjonali tal-ajru bdew iħallu l-frott.
The reforms that we have taken so far are proving beneficial. Just to mention one thing, the seat load factor. 2019, which was a record year for tourism in Malta, for the airliner Malta, way back that year, the seat load factor was only about 74–75%. This year, the seat load factor has reached an all-time high of 95%.